Hi there, boys and girls. Once again, it's time for reading workshop. Do you have all your book baggies ready and your reading logs? I hope you do. Okay, so today we're going to do something a little different. Today I want to remind you that as our books get harder, some of the words in our books get really hard too. But there's something that you can do. You can slow down. Look at all the parts of the word and read it part by part. Yes, you absolutely can slow down, look at all the parts of the word, and read it part by part. Let's start off with something familiar today, some familiar words we know and parts we know. Let's look at this word. What is this word? I'm sure you say eat. Yes, it's eat. Notice here what I did. I separated the word by the vowel pair and the consonant to make it easy to read. Eat. So when I smoosh it back together, I get this word eat. Now I'm going to make the word longer by adding an inflectional ending or suffix, ing. So now I have eat, ing, eating. Notice that there are different ways you could slow down and break up this word eating. In the first scenario, we break the word between the vowel pair or vowel team and the consonant along with the inflectional ending. So we have eating, eating. Now in the second scenario, there's a little word. We call it the little word in the big word. And we break the word between the little word and the inflectional ending or suffix. Now we have eating, eating. Let's try this one together. Ready? Just remember we must slow down when the words get longer. Slow down. Look at all the parts of the word. Then read it part by part. Let's do this one together. Here's a familiar word. What is this word? Jump. Yes, you are correct. Jump. Now let's look at the ways that we could find parts for this word. There's a consonant J, and there's a part of the word that says ump. So we could do j, ump. We could break it here between the J and the part that says ump. When we smoosh it back together, we get jump. J, ump, jump. Now I make the word longer here. What do we have now when I add the inflectional ending or the suffix to jump? Jumping. Notice in our first scenario, we break the word jumping between the J and the part that says ump. Then we also break it after the ump between the ump and the suffix ing. So we have j, ump, ing, jump, ing, jumping. Are you up for a challenge? Let's look at this word. You could get your whiteboard, write it on your whiteboard, and think of the ways you could break this word into readable parts. Are you ready? Let's whisper these parts together. I can hear you. I hear wonderful. Yes, we could definitely break this word up. One, wonderful. And full. So we have wonderful, wonderful. Well, readers, I have something very wonderful to tell you. You did wonderful today. Readers, you did wonderful today. Remember, when the words get longer, you can slow down. Look at all the parts of the word, then read it part by part. Let's say together. When the words get longer, we should slow down. Look at all the parts of the word, then read it part by part. Today I want you to go off and try it in many, many books as possible. Don't give up. No matter how hard the words get, you should just slow down, look at the parts of the word, and read it part by part. Now off you go.